Have you ever been watching the news and hear political terms and you are not quite sure what they are talking about? Well, these videos are going to break down some of those terms and explain them to you in plain and simple language, so everyone can understand. Let's get started, but before we do, if you enjoy this content, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and share this video with everyone you know, so we can all be educated in a fun way. When you hear the word government, it might sound complicated, but really, the United States government is built on one simple idea: sharing power. It's made up of 3 branches that work together like a team. Each branch has its own job, and each one helps keep the others in check. That's what keeps our country fair and balanced. First, we have the legislative branch, the lawmakers. This branch is called Congress, and it has 2 parts, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Their main job is to write and pass laws. They talk, debate, and vote on bills that affect our everyday lives, things like schools, taxes, and jobs. The House represents the people. Big states have more representatives. The Senate represents the states equally, 2 senators each. Once both agree on a bill, it goes to the president to be signed into law. If the president says no, that's a veto. Congress can override it if enough members agree. Next comes the executive branch, the enforcers. This branch makes sure the laws actually get done. It's led by the president, with help from the vice president and the cabinet, a group of experts who run departments like defense, education, and health. The president signs new laws, commands the military, and represents the country around the world. But it's not a one-person job. Millions of government workers, from park rangers to postal workers, help keep the country running every day. The third branch is the judicial branch, the referees. Their job is to make sure every law follows the Constitution, the nation's rulebook. At the top is the Supreme Court, made up of 9 justices. They review important cases and can strike down laws that break the Constitution. Below them are smaller federal courts that handle other cases and help keep justice fair. All 3 branches work together through a system called checks and balances. Congress makes the laws, the president carries them out, and the courts make sure those laws are fair. Each branch can limit the power of the others. That balance keeps our democracy safe and stable. So, when you hear about Congress, the President, or the Supreme Court, remember, they're all part of the same team. 3 branches, 1 government, power shared by design. That's how the United States works, for all of us. Don't forget to comment and tell us how you like this series, and like, subscribe and share this video. See you on the next one.